Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming authorization because permission avoids legal and ethical issues. Once done, walk to the Globe router or hotspot and look for the label, SSID, a QR code, or a WPS button. Make sure your device Wi-Fi is on and scanning. You want the Globe SSID to appear. If you see several Globe names, note the one printed on the router. This first step speeds up the process and prevents you from trying methods that won't match the device you're connecting to. Next, use built-in, legitimate options to join. If the router has a QR code, open your camera or a QR Wi-Fi scanner and point it. Follow the on-screen connect prompt and accept security permissions. If there's a WPS button, press it on the router, then tap WPS or push button connect on your device within about 2 minutes. The devices negotiate a secure link automatically. Alternatively, choose a Globe guest or open SSID and complete the captive portal registration. These are endorsed ways to access without entering the main password. To finish, confirm you are online by loading a lightweight web page and checking Wi-Fi details for an IP address and decent signal. If it fails, reboot the router or hotspot, then retry the QR or WPS steps. Many temporary issues clear that way. If problems persist, ask the account owner to enable guest access or provide a temporary passcode. One key troubleshooting tip: captive portal pages sometimes don't load when a VPN or ad blocker is active.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.